Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I made some Stilton and broccoli soup. So I thought I'd share with you how I make it. So firstly, I just take onions. I usually put in about 3 onions and just chop them and just fry them off in a frying pan just to make them nice and soft. I use Fry Light in my pan. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm just sauteing off the onions until they do become soft, slightly caramelised, but you don't want to have them brown. Okay, so now you can see me there chopping up my broccoli. So I've used a whole head of broccoli and I'm just popping it into the saucepan. And in the saucepan, I've seasoned it with some salt and pepper. I've added a couple of vegetable stock cubes to it. There you are, you can see me doing that now. That's the Stilton that I've used. So I'm just looking for the broccoli to be just cooked. I don't want it to be all soft and squidgy, but it does need to be cooked. And then as you can see, I'm ladling the broccoli, and I've also put some of the onions into my food processor with some of the liquor that I've also cooked it in. And I'm just giving it a blitz up. There you are. So I've blitzed it all up, so it's got that lovely colour to it now. And I've returned it to the saucepan just to heat it through again. And now you can see me crumbling in the Stilton. It's really up to you how much you put in. It depends how strong you want the Stilton to be. I used probably around about, I don't know, maybe 150 grams, something like that. So I'm just melting it, tasting it. Chef always has to taste their food. And then I'm just warming it all through again. As I say, waiting for that Stilton just to melt. You can see I've added a little bit more because it wasn't quite strong enough. This is the rest of the liquor that I had over in the saucepan that I didn't use, and I've just poured it into a freezer bag, wait for it to go cold, and then I take it over and pop it in the freezer, and I pull this out when I want to make gravy and use it to make my gravy with. Just got all the extra vitamins in there. And here we are having our broccoli and Stilton soup for lunch. It was delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.